welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I decided to film my pop summer makeup look. This is very bright colors for the summer. We got yellow, we got a pink neon shade going on, we got an orange shade. It just is very nice for the summer, and I really love how this eyeshadow look turned out. I'll be showing you step by step how to achieve this makeup look for the summer. I just love the pop-up looks. It kind of like brights up the look, gives you, I don't know, nice vibes going on, you know. This video I'm gonna be using the James Charles Morphe palette. I'm super excited. This is actually my first time using his palette, and I'm super hyped. It'll be super great if you apply lashes, but I struggle with lashes, so I think I'll do it without it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's just get started with the video show. Off camera, I did my eyebrows, and I also primed my eyelid. I did use concealer, my Maybelline concealer, and then I used a Rimmel London pressed powder to set my concealer for my eyelid. For eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in with James Charles Morphe palette. I'm super excited to try his palette. I played a few little eyeshadows and I created this look that I thought was so cute, and it's actually like a pop sort of color neon eyeshadow look. It's very cute, very like, you got a pink tones, you got a yellow tones, you got orange tones going on your eyes. I thought it was really pretty, and I just want to show you the eyeshadow look that I created. So I'm going to go in with the eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to mention the shades that I'm going to be using for this look. So look at the colors. It is beyond gorgeous. I'm so excited I got my hands on it. I wish the names were on the palette, that way I can let you know what shadow I'm using, but it's actually on this. So I'm just going to go with the flow. I'm going to go in Dream Tea, which is this very light pink shade. I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that comes with the palette, and I'm actually going to apply this as my transition shade, and I'm just going to go back and forth and like pat it all over my lid. And I'm actually not going to go down in my lid, so I'm just going to leave that like open patch. I think I'm gonna go in with Skip, which is more like a neon pink shade right here, and I'm going to be taking my Morphe M518 eye brush, and for this shade I'm actually going to apply it kind of like in my outer corner and basically like a V. And with this shade, I'm actually going to smudge it and bring it down to the inner corner, but not all the way. So, kind of like blend it in with the Pinty Drinty. This is actually a beautiful shade. I just want it to be a very pop-up eyeshadow look, and I want the pink, neon pink, to kind of like brighten up the look a little bit more, you know. I'm gonna go in with B, which is more like a yellow eyeshadow shade. Apply this. Oh, that's much better. So I'm just applying it halfway. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing for the other eye. And just halfway like this. And then we're just gonna blend everything out, that way there won't be like a really harsh defining line. And I'm applying a little bit more, that way the product gets more and kind of like gets the very beautiful yellow shade. Rusted, which is more an orange shade, and I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild brush, which is this type of angle, and I'm going to go ahead and dig in Rusted, and I'm going to go ahead and just apply this in the middle of the both shades. If you want, you can go ahead and grab more product, but I'm certainly am. I just want the 3 shades kind of like to blend in. And I'm just gonna do the same thing for the other left eyelid. Just gonna apply it between both shades, and that's okay if it applies with your yellow shade. We're gonna go back and reapply the shades just so we can settle the eye look. And what I like to do, I like to look up and basically and just kind of like smudge it, so it can give that very nice shadow. So I did not went over my my light pink shade at all. So you can see my light pink, you can see my orange. It kind of blends in with the pink and the yellow shade. B shade, and we're just gonna add a little bit more so it could blend in with the orange shade. And we're just gonna go ahead and blend everything, and kind of don't go too far with your orange shade. You just want to keep it very distance away, but kind of like blend it in so all the colors can blend in. I'm gonna go back and do the same thing the other eyelid, kind of like blend in. I'm gonna go ahead and take the light pink shade. I'm gonna blend the top. Ring Light, which is this glitter eyeshadow shade, and I'm just gonna put this in my brow bow. And for that, I'm taking my E.l.f. defining brush, and this is what the angle look like. And for this, I'm just gonna apply it just to give a little nice shine in the eye. And start off with the face, and we're just gonna go back with the eyes as usual. And first thing first, I'm gonna go ahead and take Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer. I'm just gonna focus kind of like in my pores area, around my nose, around my kind of like my cheekbones area, my forehead. And go ahead and take Mario Badescu setting spray. Just spray my whole face. And this is the Rosewater, guys. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear. This one is the shade 420. And do 3 dots on my face. On my chin, and 3 dots on the forehead. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Real Techniques beauty sponge, and I'm just gonna like blend in the foundation. And blend the forehead as well. For concealer, I'm gonna go in and take my E.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. This one is the shade Fair Warm. And I thought this concealer was gonna be more, I don't know, maybe not too light, but it's very, very kind of pale. Apply this under my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it down the bridge of my nose. And I'm gonna apply it on my forehead. My Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. This one is C11, and with this concealer, I'm going to contour. Actually going to apply it on my nose area, just like line as well, and then on my forehead. Now I'm gonna go ahead and spray my beauty sponge, and I'm just gonna blend the concealer in. Head and blend the forehead as well. And blend the nose. And bronzy on the nose as well. And just kind of like my Airspun loose powder. And I'm just gonna take, making a lot of mess. Gonna take the loose powder and I'm just gonna apply it under my eye area. And I'm gonna go ahead and set my nose. I'm gonna dust everything away. Bronzer, I'm gonna go in and take my Tarte bronzer. This one is Hotel Harris. I'm gonna like contour. Take my Tarte blush, and this one is Moment, which is this pink beautiful shade. I'm gonna apply it on my cheekbones area. Next, I'm gonna go in with Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. I'm just gonna spray entire face. So I'm gonna be taking a neon pink, and I'm actually going to apply it bottom lash line, and I'm go ahead and blend it to the outer V. And take Halloween shade, and I'm gonna apply this kind of in the inner corner of my bottom lash line. Go in with Ring Light, and I'm actually going to apply it in the inner corner of my eye. So my camera died, so I thought I was recording the eyeliner, but I wasn't, so that's okay. For mascara, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte mascara on my lashes, my bottom lashes. For highlighter, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Strobe and Glow by Academic of Color. I'm gonna take this highlight shade, which is Lustery, on top of my cheekbones area. And down the bridge of my nose, just lightly. And I'm gonna apply it the temple of my forehead as well. The lips, I'm actually gonna go in with my Innocent lipstick. This one is Nude Love, which is more pinky, but in the light tone. Go in with ColourPop Moonchild, just to give a little shine, and this has more like a brown tone in it. This is my final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys really love this look. I honestly fell in love with this eyeshadow that I created. I really love how it turned out. If you guys really enjoy it, if you guys really like this look, just give it a huge big thumbs up. And if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Be part of this video. I am gonna bring so many looks for you guys. Ideas, how to create easy. Honestly guys, this was pretty easy, and all you need to do is blend, blend, blend. That's pretty much it. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.